Athrokinematics. Athrokinematics means, suppose if we take one joint, suppose here I am taking shoulder joint. If we take one joint, the movements which will happen between articular surfaces, the movements which will happen between articular surfaces are called as the arthrokinematics. In this arthrokinematics, we will be having movements. First one, rolling movement. Second one, spinning movement. Third one, sliding also called as gliding movement. So these are the movements we'll be having between two articular surfaces. So first we'll see rolling movement. What is this rolling movement means? It is simply we can say that one articular surface will roll on the another articular surface. That is nothing but rolling. Just like suppose if this is the road, if this is the wheel of the cycle, if this is the wheel of the cycle, here will this is the wheel of cycle, how the cycle wheel will roll on the road, same like that here one joint surface will roll on the another articular surface. That is rolling movement. Example for this rolling movement, the condyles of the femur will roll on the tibia. This is femur. While doing knee flexion extension, the condyles of the femur will roll on the tibia. This is the example for this rolling arthrokinematic movement. Now we'll see spinning movement. Spinning movement is nothing but one articular surface will spin over the another articular surface. This is purely rotatory movement. This is purely rotatory movement of one articular surface over another articular surface. Example for this spinning movement, suppose if we see this is the lower end of the humerus, here we will be having radius, head of the radius. This is our ulna, radius and ulna. So here capitulum will be there. This is the head of the radius, the articulation between these two bones. Okay, these two, capitulum and this head of radius. The radius will spin over the capitulum while doing movements supination and pronation. So this is the example. This is the example for spinning movement. We'll see sliding movement, also called as gliding. We can say sliding movement. In this sliding movement, what will happen? It is purely translatory movement. So here one articular surface will move on another articular surface, like gliding, will glide on another articular surface. Example for this, suppose if we see this is metacarpal, here we will be having proximal phalanx. This is the middle phalanx, this is distal phalanx. This is MCP, metacarpophalangeal joint. Here this proximal phalanx will glide over the metacarpal head, So MCP joints movements are example for the gliding or sliding movement of the arthrokinematics. So these three are the arthrokinematics: rolling, spinning and gliding. Arthrokinematics is nothing but the movement between articular surfaces. Clear?